If you don't have chickpea or buckwheat flour, you can easily make it at home. Just grind the grains in a powerful coffee grinder. Make sure to use a very powerful blender. And sift the flour through a very fine sieve for a smooth, delicate texture. You can easily replace both buckwheat flour and chickpea flour with oat flour. It creates a softer, more delicate texture. If you don't have a sugar alternative, brown sugar, coconut sugar, or regular sugar will work just as well. The donut batter should feel like thick sour cream, not too firm and not too runny, just smooth and easy to pipe. Fill the donut mold about 80% full, so they have enough space to rise and stay light and fluffy. Brush them lightly with oil. Since they're baked, not fried, this step helps the coating hold perfectly.